Coin manufacturing is a fascinating process that's been around for centuries. Whether you're a collector, historian, or just someone who loves the beauty and artistry of coins, understanding the coin manufacturing process can be incredibly rewarding. Coins have been in use for thousands of years, dating back to the ancient civilizations of Greece, Rome, and China. In the modern era, coin manufacturing has become a highly specialized industry. Today's coins are made using advanced techniques and technologies with a focus on precision, efficiency, and quality. The coin manufacturing process involves several stages, including concept design, die production, blanking, striking, and finishing. Die making is a critical stage in the coin manufacturing process that involves creating the stamping tools used to produce the final coin.
Artists develop the designs, we sculpt them, and make tooling. We make dies. We make about 50,000 dies here every year.
The die is a precision tool made from high-quality steel that is used to transfer the coin's design onto a blank coin. The die-making process requires expert craftsmanship and precision engineering to ensure that the final product is accurate and consistent. Creating a die involves several stages, including design, engraving, and heat treatment. Once the die is complete, it is used in conjunction with a press to strike the image onto the blank coin. The high level of precision involved in die making is essential in ensuring that the final product is of the highest quality and meets the exact specs of the design.
We have 10-foot long steel rods. They come in to the plant, and then we cut the rods down to our die sizes, to specifications. And then from that we take what we call our master hub that we get from Philadelphia, which has the master image on it, and we press that into what we call a working hub. And that working hub is where we make all the other dies from that then we use in our stamping presses. We get these big rolls, or what we call coils, of metal that come in that weigh upwards of 10,000 pounds and could be the length of 5 football fields long.
We load the coil into an automatic storage retrieval system, and then when we're making that specific denomination, we'll pull the specific coil, we'll run it through a blanking press, which makes the actual blanks, the flat discs.
Our blanking press then presses out like a cookie cutter and produces about 14,000 blanks a minute. So our annealing process is where we heat treat the blank coins. We put the coins into a furnace. It's a huge tumbling furnace. The purpose of heating it up is to soften the materials. It softens the coin, and it softens it where when we go to stamp them, it holds the image better. They will be washed and dried, and then they go to our upsetting area, or our mills, where then we raise the outer edge of the coin. And the raising of the coin is done to protect the image of the coin, and so that it makes the coin stackable.
And then they're transferred into the press room, where they're loaded into a press, and the 2 dies that we made strike the coin with 35 to 100 tons of force, depending on denomination, and leave the impression on the coin.
Coin manufacturing is a fascinating and intricate process that involves creating high-quality coins for a variety of purposes. From commemorative coins to challenge coins, a coin manufacturing process requires precision, expertise, and attention to detail. The United States Mint is the nation's oldest federal agency, responsible for producing and circulating coins, bullion coins, and commemorative coins for the United States. With facilities located in Philly, Denver, San Francisco, and West Point, the U.S. Mint is one of the largest coin manufacturers in the world, producing billions of coins each year. In a nutshell, coin manufacturing is a complex and intricate process that involves multiple stages to produce a coin that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The process begins with the creation of the coin's design, which is then used to create a die that will be used to strike the image onto a blank coin. The blank is then struck with the die, creating the raised and recessed parts of the coin surface. This is followed by finishing, where the coin is polished, colored, and engraved to enhance its visual appeal. Finally, the coin is carefully inspected and packaged to protect it during storage and shipping. Each step of the coin manufacturing process is critical to ensuring that the final product is of the highest quality, whether it's a circulating coin or a commemorative coin. The U.S. Mint's coin manufacturing process begins with the creation of the coin's design, which is usually chosen by Congress or the Secretary of the Treasury. Once the design is approved, the Mint creates a die, which is used to strike the coin's image onto a blank coin. The blank is then struck with the die, which creates the raised and recessed parts of the coin surface. The Mint uses state-of-the-art equipment to ensure that each coin is of the highest quality, with strict quality measures in place to ensure consistency. The United States Mint takes great care in the final processes of coin manufacturing to ensure that each coin is of the highest quality. Most of these processes is inspection, where each coin is carefully examined for any defects or imperfections that may have occurred during the manufacturing process. Inspectors use state-of-the-art equipment to detect even the smallest amount of flaws and ensure that only the best coins make it to the final step.
And then from there, once the coin is stamped, it's inspected, and then from there they're sent down to our count and bag area where they're counted, bagged, and then weighed, and then we store them until we send them to the Federal Reserve Bank.
Thank you for watching.